Hi everybody, Nick Foley again with Casa Customer Support, coming at you with another tutorial. This one's going to be a shorter one. Today I'll be purchasing Bitcoin using a debit card in Casa App. So I'll be doing this through Apple Pay, which is integrated into my phone's system settings. If I tap on my settings, I just want to scroll down about halfway, and you'll see the option for Wallet in Apple Pay. A lot of people have this set up on their iPhone already. If you have a credit card linked to your Apple Pay account, you're going to want to make sure that you have a debit card as well, so you can purchase with the debit card. So if I go to Casa App and unlock it, down here at the bottom, I have a buy icon or a Bitcoin icon there. So I'm going to tap that, and I'm going to tap buy Bitcoin. So at the top, I can select purchase with Apple Pay or also purchase using a linked bank account. So once I've selected buy with Apple Pay, I can input the amount that I want to buy. I have a limit. I can buy up to $25,000 this week. In this instance, I'm just going to buy $50 worth of Bitcoin. I also have the ability to select my destination of the funds. So one of the biggest advantages of purchasing Bitcoin through Casa App is that the purchases that you make are delivered to a wallet that you control. I've selected the destination here. I'm actually going to select single key. You can have it delivered to a multi-sig wallet or single key. Just to make it easier, because I'm on a test account, I'm going to select single key. I'm going to tap review buy, and it's going to show me a little bit about my purchase. So I'm purchasing at this current price, 34,196. It shows the total amount of my Bitcoin purchase. It shows the processing fees, and it also shows a Bitcoin miner fee. So like I mentioned a moment ago, the Bitcoin are delivered directly to the wallet that you control. So in order to facilitate that, there must be an on-blockchain transfer to that wallet that you control. So that's why there is a mining fee, and the destination is my single key, and I'm going to select pay. It shows a confirmation page here. So it shows the amount of Bitcoin that I have, shows the order was placed. I'll hit continue. All right, so a few minutes later, I'm here in my single key wallet, and I have access to that $50 worth of Bitcoin that I just purchased in Casa App, and you are getting the Bitcoin delivered directly to your wallet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.